Spotify is my favorite streaming audio service, and today I'll show you tips, tricks and hidden features that not everybody know, like how to change the annoying ringtone of the alarm clock to amazing music from Spotify, how to change the music between the various devices in just one press, how to recover playlists you deleted by mistake, and so much more. And if you stay until the end of the video, I will show you how to change the standard music progress bar to a beautiful lightsaber. So without further ado, let's start! If you are also tired from the annoying ringtone of the alarm clock, now you can wake up with music you love from Spotify. To do that, just open the alarm clock and change from ringtone to Spotify. At the first time, you need to allow the alarm clock to access to your Spotify account. Now you can choose the playlist you want or search for specific songs. If the alarm clock in your phone doesn't have access to Spotify, don't worry, you can download Google Clock and then change to Spotify. If you love to sleep while the music plays in the background, but you don't want the music will play the entire night, then Sleep Timer is the perfect solution. Just open the playlist or song you want and start playing. Now click on the three dots and slide down until you see Sleep Timer. When you select the Sleep Timer, you can choose how long the music will be played, between 5 minutes to 1 hour, or until the end of the track. When the time is over, the music automatically turns off. If you deleted playlist by mistake, don't worry, you have 90 days to recover the playlist. To recover the playlist, open browser on your phone or computer and type spotify.com. Enter with your Spotify account and then click on the person icon. Now click on this small triangle and choose Recover Playlist. Now click Restore next to the playlist you deleted, and the playlist is recovered. And of course, when you enter to the playlist, you will see all the songs inside. You can play music from Spotify almost from every device, and easily you can change the music location. For example, if I'm listening to music from my phone in my way home, when I enter to my house, I can change the music location to the living room. And you can do that in just one click. Also, I can play from my computer, my Echo devices, and so much more. And if you have smart home with Alexa, you can create group of devices. For example, I create group named All Speakers. And when I play music from all speakers, the entire house plays the music. If you open the settings and scroll down until you see storage, you will notice that the download takes space, and that is totally fine. But take a look at the cache. Sometimes it takes even more space than the downloads. So I recommend you once a while to delete the cache. If you are also don't like the stops between songs and you are used to non-stop music like in the clubs, go to settings and I recommend setting the crossfade around 10 seconds. Also enable allow gapless playback. Now the transition between the songs will be very smooth. If you have playlists that you listen a lot, you can create a shortcut to this playlist. Open the playlist and then click on the three dots. Scroll down and then click Add to Home Screen, and then click Add. Now you will see the playlist on your home screen. When you click on the playlist will open and immediately start to play. If you love concerts, Spotify will help you to find concerts in every place in the world. Just click on the search button and then click Concerts. And you will see all the concerts in your area. But you can change the location to whatever you want. For example, if I have trip to Tel Aviv, I can change the location to Tel Aviv, and I will get list of all the concerts in Tel Aviv. If I open the concert, I will get more details, and even option to find tickets. In the past, if you wanted lyrics while you are listening to music from Spotify, you needed to install app like Music X Match, but Spotify added built-in lyrics. So now all you need is to play the song you want and scroll down until you see the lyrics. You can even open the lyrics at full screen. If you want to tweak your progress bar of your Spotify, with this secret tip you can do it. By default, the progress bar looks like that. But if you click on the search and type in capital letters THX1138, it has to be in capital letters, otherwise it will not work. Now you can see the music bar change to light saber, and if you click here, the light will be changed. If you want to go back to regular progress bar, click on the search and type in capital letters THX1138. If you love tips and tricks, I recommend you to watch the next video.